Hello, good morning everybody. Today this is the session 1 class, that is the building planning drawings. Here the building planning drawing, it have total contact hour is 78 hours and the course code is 15C 35Ds. Here under building planning drawings, detailed course content is, that is under unit 1. Here unit 1 it having the introduction chapters. Under introduction chapter, that is of 1.1, that is the building planning factors. You have to study these points under the building planning factors only for the theory subject. And here 1.2 is the building planning factor. This is the principle of building planning factors. Under these are the topics is included. And next one is, that is the 1.3, that is the building bylaws. Under the building bylaws, these are the points it is included in the this topic. Total 9 hours is allotted for the introduction chapter, that is under unit 1. It is only for completely theory topic under building planning drawings. And next one is the unit 2. Under unit 2, that is the site plan and planning of the drawings. Under site plan and planning of the drawings is the important topic for the building planning drawing subject. Here under site plans and planning of the buildings, that is the 2.1, you have to draw the site plan according to the given datas. Here you have to prepare the site plan as per the given setbacks and floor area ratio and height of the building and the minimum distance from the power lines, and as per the NBC, that is the National Building Codes. According to these given data, you have to prepare. This is the site plan of the buildings. And next one is under 2.2, the given floor areas and the carpet area of the rooms, you have to draw the single line diagrams. Here you have to prepare the single line diagram of a residential building and the school building and hostel buildings and primary health centers. These topics is included in the 2.2. As per the given floor area or carpet area of the rooms, you have to prepare a line diagram of the buildings. And third point is, that is the 2.3, you have to draw the plan, elevation and cross sectional view of the following drawings. Here as per the given line diagram, you have to draw the plan and elevation and cross sectional view of the residential buildings and the school buildings and hostel buildings and primary health centers and the canteen buildings and 2 stories residential building and small workshop building. This is a very important topic. Total in the examination 50 marks in the one question is asked. This is a compulsory questions you have to prepare. This is the important topic for the 2, that is the unit 2. Under unit 3, that is the building basic services. Under building basic services is connected for this topic, that is the 2.3, which one is already prepared for the plan, elevation and cross sectional. The same plan you have to draw the building basic services. Under building basic services, you have to prepare a water supply layouts, same water supply layout for the residential buildings. And the 3.2, you have to prepare a electrical layout of the, which one he has given in the problem, that is the 2.3. Then 3.3, that is the preparation of sanitary layout. The same plan you have to prepare a sanitary layouts. Next one is the rainwater harvestings. You have to draw the plan and sectional views and the firefighting layouts. This is the unit 3. Total allotted is 18 hours. For unit 2, total allotted is 42. Like this is the introduction chapter for the building planning drawings. And in the examination point of view, that is the direct assessment. Here direct assessment is including, that is the CIE. CIE means continuous internal evaluation. This is the internal marks you have to prepare, that is called as IA. Under IA marks, that is the graded exercise, that is the 10 marks. For 10 marks, you have to prepare different drawings, which one is already prepared in the classrooms. That is the drawing sheet you have to submit, that is for the 10 marks. And another topic is that is the student activities and case studies. Here under this topic, that is the total 15 marks. This is the 15 marks is for 5 marks is the report and 10 marks is the drawing. One problem is given, it may be a residential building or school building, whatever it may be, is you have to draw the plan, elevation and cross section, and you have to give the reports, that is the 15 marks for the one sheet, and this is the each 10 sheet you have to prepare, for the each will be 1 marks as per the residential building, school building and public health building and hospital building. Which one he has given? This is the 10 marks for the grader exercise. It is a practice in the classrooms, and finally you have to report the one drawing sheet and you have to prepare the drawing, you have to submit the drawing. Total for 25 marks is for IA, that is the internal evaluations. Next one is SCC. This is the in the annual examination, total 100 marks. You have to write the SCC, semester end examinations.